To address FPS drops in Apex Legends, follow these steps to optimize your game performance. This guide will help you adjust settings and improve your gaming experience. Step 1. Update graphics drivers. Ensure your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel and download the latest drivers for your specific graphics card model. Step 2. Adjust in-game settings. Launch Apex Legends and navigate to the settings menu. Lower the graphics settings such as resolution, texture quality, and shadow detail to reduce the load on your system. Step 3. Disable background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background that may consume system resources. This includes web browsers, streaming services, and other software that could affect performance. Step 4. Optimize Windows settings. Adjust your Windows settings for better performance. Go to the Control panel, select System, and then Advanced System Settings. Under Performance, choose Adjust for best performance to disable visual effects. Step 5. Check for system overheating. Monitor your system's temperature while playing. If your CPU or GPU is overheating, it can cause performance drops. Clean your hardware, ensure proper ventilation, and consider using cooling pads if necessary. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your FPS while playing Apex Legends. Enjoy a smoother gaming experience.